In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to spin a piece, and we're going to make a chessboard. So basically, we're going to create something like this. So let me just kind of start all over and get that going. So I'm going to go ahead and press X to delete that. And then if I go to Add, Mesh, and then I'm going to do Plane. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and press that tilde sign to get to the top view. You could also come up here and you can go to your top view that way too. So, I'm going to go ahead and go into edit mode now. So edit mode, and then I'm going to go ahead and just take off this. So if I click on that and press X to delete that vertice, I'm just left with 3 different pieces. So I'm left from this point, and this point, looking on my top view. And now I'm just going to kind of come here and start playing with this. Once I get that set, press E to extrude, E to extrude, and I'm just trying to make my first chess piece. So you could design it however you want, and then just come around, and I'm basically trying to line it up. If I press A to select everything, I'm just trying to line up half of it on there. So once I have that going, then you're going to probably want to open up a tool over here. Either press the letter N on your keyboard, or there's a little thing you can click on, and I want to go to Tool. And you'll see why I want that in a minute. So once I have that, come over to the Spin tool, which should be this guy over here in edit mode. Click on that, and once I click on it, it's giving me kind of the wrong axis. If I click on it here, it'll mess up. So Command Z. So I need to find the right axis. So it looks like the Y direction for me. And then click on that, and just single click. Hopefully that spins it all the way around. So now I've got my first chess piece. Go out of this mode and just kind of slide this to the side with the arrow. And then I can create my next piece. So I'll go to Add again, Mesh, Plane, and then go into edit mode, delete a face, so press X to delete that vertice, and then once again just kind of, and I should be on my top view on this, so I'm going to go to top view. So get on to the move tool, position that, just I'm using this green line to kind of get myself in the right position. So E to extrude, and you can design these pieces however you want. Don't feel like you have to make it look like an actual chessboard. Press A to select them all, and then go to that little spin tool again. And I like to kind of tumble a little bit. It's already in the Y position, so I just need to click, and that should create that piece. And then get out of edit mode and just kind of still keep building those, and you're gonna build about 6 pieces is what you need.